All right, so this is just a quick video on the Wagner PowerTex. This is a cleaning video. This is how I clean my PowerTex texture gun. What I have over here is a bucket of water, dirty or whatever, doesn't matter. A towel and the trash can. So basically, on the trash can, I'm gonna remove using a different what's it called for this different O-ring. So sometimes it's a bit harder to remove. Come on. All right. So I dumped the leftover texture that's in the hopper in the trash. I get out as much as I can. This is the O-ring that I'm talking about. I don't know, for some reason when I wanted to use my texture gun, the O-ring was gone. So basically, you could take your hopper, you could drop it in your bucket of water, you could take this and disconnect the motor, and then now you have the texture output. I don't know what the hell it's called, right? But you got all this stuff in there. And basically you can just let that chill over there. And then on this one, you can take your wet towel on the inside and then just wash it really well in your bucket. This is where I've been cleaning my spatulas, the drywall stuff. I can't remember what the hell they're called right now. So basically, you can pull this through and you can get everything out. It's very easy. That's one pass. I can get it with the hose in a second. And then the next piece that I'm gonna wash is this one. So this one I just dunk it in there too. Move my finger around inside and this one is actually very easy to clean with the hose. After you get most of the stuff out, you can just run a hose through it and it'll pretty much clean it. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Should be a fairly fast video. It doesn't take a long time to clean it, maybe like 5 minutes, 4 minutes or something like that. So now this is fairly clean. What you could do too is take your towel and really clean the outside. This thing is a couple years old, but it still looks pretty brand new because I clean it all the time. So on this one, you just take your garden hose and then you rinse out the where the texture hopper goes in. If you pull the trigger, you can get everything from the inside and then it comes out from the front. So that's pretty clean over there. And that's pretty much the cleaning part of it. I'm not gonna get super clean on this video. Basically just showing you like a fast version. I'm gonna end this video and clean it a little bit more. But this hopper is clean, and the only thing that I need to get out is the little stuff that's on the inside. And I'll be using the supply brush that they gave me with the tool. But that is my Wagner PowerTex cleaning video.